Hey guys, ang topic natin para ngayong araw ay division of polynomials at meron tayong iba't ibang objectives. Ang ating objective number 1 ay perform division of polynomials using long division and synthetic division. Ang ating pangalawa naman ay prove the remainder theorem and factor theorem. Dumako naman tayo sa ating mga terminologies. Divisor represented by d of x, a number which another number is to be divided. Siya yung number na dinidivide pa sa isang number. Dividend represented by d of x, the result when you multiply the quotient and the divisor. Siya daw yung resulta kapag pinag-multiply mo yung quotient tsaka divisor. Siya din yung number na pinagdidividan ng divisor. Para mas lalo nyo maintindihan, ito ang ating illustration. Ito ang tinatawag na divisor. Ito naman ang dividend. Ito ang quotient at ito ang remainder. Long division, a process of dividing a polynomial of the same or lower degree. Siya daw yung paraan ng pagdi-divide ng may parehong degree or may mas mababa pa. Example, 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 divided by x plus 5. Ang processes na gagamitin natin is divide, then we will multiply, bring down, subtract, then cancel. Ang una nga nating process is divide. So we have to divide x plus 2x squared. Bakit x lang? Kasi ang dinidivide natin is ang first term lang ng divisor, which is x nga. X divided by 2x squared is equals to 2x. Bakit 2x? Kasi pag nagdi-divide tayo ng may exponents, minaminus lang natin yung exponents ng isa dun pa sa isa, which is, ang exponent ng x is 1. So, 1 minus 2 is equals to 1. So, 2x na lang yung kakalalabasan. Then, 2x times x, which is the second process is multiplying, edi 2x squared. Then, we will minus, then, makakancel siya. Then, this one, 2x times 5 naman, which is 10x. Since nga, pag nagma-minus tayo, may ibang sign. So, magiging negative 10x na siya. Then, dito, magiging plus. Edi, 5x plus negative 10x is equals to negative 5x. Then, i-divide ulit natin siya dun sa first term ng ating divisor, which is x. Negative 5x divided by x is equals to negative 5. Then, negative 5 times x is equals to negative 5x. Then, negative 5 times positive 5 is equals to 25. Then, dahil nga bring down natin yung 23 kanina, kaya negative 23 plus positive 25 is equals to positive 2. I-rewrite naman natin siya sa ating standard form. Meron tayong 3, 4, 0, at 8. Kung saan ang ating cube term, ang ating quadratic term, ang ating linear term, at ang ating constant term. So, dumako na tayo sa process ng ating synthetic division. Since nagawa na nga natin ang ating step number 1, which is arrange in descending power of x, gagawin naman natin ang second process, which is find the value of x if y is 0. Dumako naman tayo sa ating divisor, which is x plus 2. I-equate lang natin siya sa 0 para maging x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then, ita-transpose natin ng 2. Magiging x is equals to negative 2 since pag nag-transpose tayo at pag lumagpas nga ang isang term ng equal sign is magbabago ang kanyang sign. Kaya ang magiging x is equals to negative 2. Ilalagay natin siya dito. Ang susunod naman nating process ay bring down the first coefficient, which is 3. Bring down natin siya. Then we will multiply it to the divisor. 3 times negative 2 is equals to negative 6. Then ipa-plus naman natin siya. Unlike sa long division na nagma-minus tayo. Dito sa synthetic division, ipa-plus natin, which is 4 plus negative 6 is equals to negative 2. Then, negative 2 times negative 2, since pag magkapareho ng sign is positive, pag nag-multiply tayo, kaya siya magiging positive 4. 0 plus positive 4 is equals to 4. Then 4 times negative 2 is equals to negative 8. Then 8 plus negative 8 is equals to 0. Represented by r of x, left over. Siya yung natitira if mag-divide tayo. Tapos, siya din yung ilalagay natin din sa may kasama ng quotient sa taas. For example, ito ang ating divisor. Okay na. Ito ang ating divisor, ating dividend, ating quotient, ang ating remainder. Sinasama natin sa quotient ang ating remainder at o-overrun natin ng divisor. So, magiging 2 over x plus 5. Mako naman tayo sa mga method na pwedeng gamitin kapag nagde-divide ng polynomial. Una na doon ang long division. Long division, a process of dividing a polynomial of the same or lower degree. Example, 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 divided by x plus 5. Kapag nagde-divide tayo ng polynomial, ang dinidivide lang natin is yung first term na ating divisor sa ating dividend. Example, x divided by 2x squared is equals to 2x. Kapag diba nagdi-divide tayo, binabawasan lang natin ang exponent nung pinag-divide tayo. Ang exponent is 2 minus 1 ang ating exponent ng divisor, kaya 2x. Then, times natin ulit siya dito sa ating divisor sa x. 2x times x is equals to 2x squared. Tapos, times din natin siya dito sa second term ng ating divisor, which is 5. 2x times 5 is equals to 10x. Ima-minus din natin siya. 2x squared minus 2x squared. Diba, pag nagma-minus tayo, mapapalitan ang sign, which is positive dati, ngayon magiging negative. Kaya 2x squared plus negative 2x squared cancel, kasi 0 na ang kalalabasan. Ito naman sa kabila, 5x plus negative 10x is equals to negative 5x divided by x is equals to negative 5. Negative 5 times x is equals to negative 5x. Negative 5 times positive 5 is equals to negative 25. Kasi pag nagta-times tayo ng unlike terms, ibig sabihin negative agad yung kakalabasan. Pag like terms naman is positive. Then, subtract negative 5x plus positive 5x, cancel kasi 0 na. Negative 23 plus positive 25 is equals to positive 2. So, lalagyan na natin siya dun sa taas. So, positive 2 over x plus 5, which is the divisor. So, 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 divided by x plus 5 is equals to 2x minus 5 plus 2 over x plus 5. The remainder lang siya i-over, hindi na din sa buo pang quotient. Mas lalong maintindihan ang synthetic division, ito ang ating example. If p of x or ating dividend is equal to x plus 4x plus 2 and p of x is equal to x plus 2, what is p of x? Ang kukunin lang natin sa ating dividend ay 4 at 2. At lalagyan natin sa mga sulit sa gitna ng 4 tsaka 8 kasi wala yung linear term. Lagyan lang tayo cubic term, quadratic term. Wala yung linear term. So, mag-cancel na lang yung ating tayo sa first process, which is arranging the semi power of x. Gagawin na natin, find the value of x if y is equal to 0. Formula para sa remainder theorem ay f of x is equals to p of x. For example, p of x is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 10 at ang ating p of x is equals to x minus 2. Ang first step ay find the value of x. Gaya lang ginawa natin sa synthetic division kanina, i-equate natin ang ating divisor sa 0. So, magiging x minus 2 is equal to 0 Then, transpose natin yung negative 2. Then, diba, pag lumalagpas ng equal sign ang isang number, mag-iibang ka ng sign. So, magiging positive 2. X is equal to positive 2. Ating second step. I-rewrite na natin siya dun sa formula, which is, ang value ng ating x is 2. Kaya, 2. Then, lalagay na natin ang ating dividend, which is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Then, ang ating step is substitute. Then, magiging 2 cubed plus 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 12. Then, perform na natin ang integrated operation. 2 cubed is equal to 8. Then, 2 squared is equal to 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Then, 2 times negative 4 is equal to negative 8. Then 12. Then, 8 plus 12 minus 8 is equal to 12. Add na natin siya because 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then, cancel. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Then, cancel. Then, ang ating remainder is equal to 0. Factor theorem. A polynomial f of x has a factor x minus 8 if and only if f of 8 is equal to 0. Gagamitin lang natin ang factor theorem if ang ating f of 8 or remainder is equal to 0. Example, given the 0x minus 2 of polynomial x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12, find the other two zeros. Ating first step is divide it using synthetic division. Ang ating value ng x is 2. Then, dahil nga synthetic division, kukunin lang natin ang mga coefficients. So, bring down natin ang ating first coefficient, which is 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Negative 4 plus 10 is equal to 6. Bakit positive? Kasi mas malaki yung 10 natin. Then 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Then negative 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. Ang nakuha nating quotient ay x squared plus 5x plus 6. Then, step na tayo sa step 2. Factor the quotient. Then, ang factors ng quotient ay x plus 2 and x plus 2. After getting the factors of the quotient, gaget naman natin yung values ng x. Effect natin siya lahat sa 0. Then, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then, times equal to 0. Negative 2. Magiging siyang positive 2 kasi tumaan na sa equal sign. So, x is equal to 2. Then, yung positive 3, magiging negative 3 kasi dumaan siya ng equal sign. So, magbabago yung sign. Then, x is equal to negative 3. Then, x plus 2 is equal to 0. And yung positive 2, magiging negative 2 kasi dumaan siya ng equal sign. So, x is equal to negative 2. Para mas maintindihan nyo pa ang ating lesson, dumako tayo sa more examples. Given the p of x, 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 4, and d of x is equal to x minus 1, find the quotient using synthetic and long division, prove the remainder using remainder theorem, and find the two other zeros. Dahil nga first term lang ng ating divisor ang ating pinang-divide, so 3x cubed divided by x is equal to 3x squared. Dahil nga pag nagdi-divide tayo, minus lang natin ang exponent. So 3x squared times x is equal to 3x cubed. And then 3x squared times negative 1 is equal to negative 3x squared. Then subtract 3x cubed minus 3x squared. Bobo, 3x cubed din. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed. Since pag nagma-minus tayo, may iibang sign. So, nagiging plus, nagiging positive. So, 3x cubed plus negative 3x cubed. Then, cancel. Since 0 naman sila. Then, negative 4x squared plus positive 3x squared is equal to negative x squared. Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Then, negative x squared times negative x squared divided by x is equal to negative x, then negative x times x is equal to negative x, then negative x times negative 1 is equal to positive x, then subtract na. Negative x squared, then magbabago ang sign, magiging plus, magiging positive, then x squared plus positive x squared, then cancel since magkaiba sila ng sign, then negative 3x plus negative x is equals to negative 4x, then dahil magkaparehan sila ng sign, then negative 4x divided by x is equals to negative 4, then negative 4 times x is equals to negative 4x, then negative 4 times negative 1 is equals to positive 4, then subtract na, then negative 4x plus, then magiging positive, then negative 4x plus positive 4x, cancel kung 0 sila, then positive 4 plus negative 4 is equal to 0. Hindi na natin ilalagay ang remainder dito sa ating quotient dahil 0 na nga siya. Lumako naman tayo sa synthetic division. So, sa synthetic division, kinukuha lang natin ang coefficients. 1, then 3, negative 4, negative 3, then 4. Ang coefficients ng ating dividend. Then, i-bring down natin yung ating first coefficient, which is 3. Then, 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Then, negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1. Yung minus na rin siya since magkaiba ang kanilang sign. Then, negative 1 times 1 is equal to negative 1. Magkaiba kasi silang sign. Then, negative 3 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 4. Then, negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4, then 4 plus negative 4 is equal to 0. Pareho lang siya nung nakuha natin sa long division na quotient, which is 3x squared minus x minus 4. I-prove naman natin na 0 talaga ang remainder using remainder theorem. Ang value ng ating x is 1, then ang ating dividend is 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 4. Then, isa-substitute lang natin ang 1 sa lahat ng x. Then, 1, 3 times 1 cubed minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 4. Then, isa-substitute lang natin ang 1 sa lahat ng x. 3 times 1 cubed minus 4 times 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus 4. Then, perform the indicated operation. 1 to the third power is equal to 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Then 1 squared is equal to 1 times negative 4 is equal to negative 4. Then 1 times negative 3 is equal to negative 3. Then 4, bring down. Dahil wala na nga siyang pagtatagsan. Then 3 minus 3 cancel 0. Then negative 4 plus 4. Cancel natin siya kasi 0 na. Then, totoo na ang ating remainder ay 0. Dumako naman tayo sa factor theorem. Since na-prove na nga natin na 0 ang remainder, gagamitin naman natin ngayon ang factor theorem para makuha ang iba pang zeros ng ating equation. Then, since ang first step ng factor theorem is i-divide mo na using synthetic division, na-divide na natin siya kanina. So, ang lumabas na quotient is 3x squared minus x minus 4. Then, ipa-factor natin siya. Ang factor ng 3x squared minus x minus 4 is 3x minus 4 and sa quantity of x plus 1. Then, equal natin siya sa 0. So, 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then, ita-transforce natin ang negative 4. So, maging positive 4 na siya. Since kailangan walang kasamang number ang x. I-divide natin ang 2 para mawala siya kasama ng x. So, 3x divided by 3. Then, cancel. Then, i-divide din natin siya dito sa 4. Which is ang value ng x na natin is equal to 4 over 3. Naman natin siya sa synthetic division. Ang value ng ating mga coefficient natin is 1, negative 4, 2, negative 3. Then bring down natin ang ating first coefficient which is 1. Then 1 times negative 2 is equals to negative 2. Negative 4 plus negative 2 is equals to negative 6. Then negative 6 times negative 2 is equals to positive 12. 2 plus positive 12 is equals to 14. 14 times negative 2 is equals to negative 28. Then negative 28 plus negative 3 is equals to negative 31. So, katulad lang siya na naging quotient natin sa long division, which is x squared minus 6x plus 14 plus negative 31 over x plus 2. I-prove naman natin na negative 31 talaga ang kanyang remainder using remainder theorem. Then, ang value ng ating x is equals to negative 2. Then, ang ating dividend na nakasubstitute na ang negative 2 sa lahat ng x, negative 2 cubed is equals to negative 8. Bakit negative 8? Kasi negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4. Then positive 4 times negative 2 is equals to negative 8. Then negative 2 squared, which is positive 4 kasi same yung kanilang sign. Then negative 2 times 2 is equals to negative 4. Then, bring down lang natin yung negative 3. Ika-times natin yung negative 4 tsaka 4, which is negative 16. Then, perform the indicated operation na divisible. Negative 8, since minus na siya, magiging plus, then magiging negative 2. Then, dito din, magiging plus, then magiging negative 4. Magiging plus, then magiging negative 3. Negative 8 plus negative 16 is equals to negative 24. Then, negative 24 plus negative 4 is equals to negative 28. Then, plus negative 3 is equals to negative 21. So, tama. Ang remainder natin is negative 30. Since hindi 0 ang ating remainder, hindi natin siya magagamit sa factor theorem.